Good morning, sir. My name is Shivam Sharma along with my partner Rahul Agrawal, roll number 2K19CO363 and 2K19CO302 respectively. So, sir, our project title is Accident Prevention System. Accident Prevention System is basically a car safety tool, a software oriented for drivers to detect drowsiness during driving and providing the relevant alert messages based on the position and movement of the driver. In this project, basically we will be doing selective training on the driver to detect its various positions, movements, hand movement, eye movement, face movement, and then train the model based on the results. We will be generating messages, alert sounds in accordance with the driver movement. And without wasting any further time, let's first jump to the actual demo of the project. So now Rahul will be giving the demo of the project. Based on the shortage of time, we have trained the model
Model.
earlier. Now, sir, as you can see, these are the three states for a driver: awake, potentially sleepy, and head down. We will first train the model based on the configuration of the driver. Suppose right now Rahul is awake, and we will train around 30. We have trained 34 samples of awake. That is the project. The database has collected 34 images of Rahul as in the awake state, 15 potentially sleepy, and 48 in head down. And based on these compositions, our model is trained, and we will be now predicting that whether Rahul is awake, potentially sleepy, or head down. So getting on to the positions. First, right now Rahul is driver is awake. We are getting the message as a green sound. And if he gets a head down, it is telling that it is potentially sleepy. Now we move the head down and the eyes are out of the camera. Then it will generate the alert message and produce a sound that we can hear. And these are the three states of our project. Now coming back to the PPT, this is our model. Yes. So
Actually, sir,
Rahul
our
will continue
project
from here.
actually our project is basically a web app that is built using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and the TensorFlow.js. So we are training the model using the TensorFlow.js. We are basically integrating the web with the machine learning model and making this project like accident prevention system.
Coming to the algorithm of our accident prevention system, this is the algo. First, we will start capture the video. By frame, we will loop for the images for the driver's movement, detect the face, detect the eyes, train the model, and stop and then start predicting. This is the basic flow or basic algorithm of our model. Coming to the use case diagram of accident prevention system. This is the use case diagram.
So we have
Here
the
are three
driver,
actors mainly: driver, the camera, and the
and
threat
threat
detection
detection
system or
system.
the accident prevention system. So Rahul will explain the use case diagram.
So actually, the driver will initialize the system by training the model by giving it features like the eyes, the face recognition system, like giving it feature of faces, eyes, and the hand movements. Then the camera will capture the image and extract the features such as the eyes and the hand movements or the mouth movements, and it will train the model according to it. And our threat detection system, according to the trained model, will see through the like the testing
It will
data.
access the threat and then report the threat as a sound, the alarming sound that we get, a red sound.
uh,
Now coming to the sequence
Sequence diagram.
diagram of accident prevention system, this is the basic sequence diagram that the classes are user, camera frame, OpenCV hascat, and alarm sound. So first of all, we will be sending the video and the frames. The frames will be read by the OpenCV database, and detection will be there. After then, if I is not detected, it will be tracked back. Else, the eyes will be detected, and we will train the model, and an alert sound or the danger sound will be sent based on the position of the driver. Coming to the activity diagram,
So in the activity diagram, we initialize the system and capture the videos and extract the frames and the features of the user, and then track the features and assess the threat and report the threat to the user if his head is down or not, or according to the danger.
yes, sir. Now there are further snapshots of our
What we have
driver.
done.
As we have trained, the driver is awake, the driver is potentially sleepy, and the driver is head down. Now, sir, coming to the most important part, the uniqueness of our project. We have go, gone through a lot of research paper and lot of articles regarding this drowsiness detection. What we have seen is that there are a lot of model already in this field of drowsiness detection, but there is a one drawback. They are not based on selective training. they are based on a general point, like they will detect your eyes, and based on the only the eye position, they will give you the alert message and give you the relevant information about your position and about your composition of the body. But right, as we can see that everybody has a different composition. I have a different composition, I use specs, and Rahul has a different composition. The composition while I'm in the potentially sleepy state or head down state, it will differ from individual to individual.
It
So
basically
we
depends
have
on the curvature
considered
of the
that
eyes.
point, of selective training. So we have made the training selective, that the model will be trained as per the user. The positions will be trained by the user, because I might have a different position for head down, Rahul might have a different position of head down, and someone else will have a different position in awake state. So these will be trained accordingly, and the model will work according. So this is the main uniqueness we have come
Put
with
in
it.
the project.
Yeah, and coming to the future work that we can do in this system, the future work are a lot, that we can integrate this model with the travel agency system and tie up with Ola, Uber, and these types of organizations that will be keep tracking of the driver and its position, so that if any case happens like that, the driver is in a drowsy state or in a danger state, so that the travel agency will get the information and they can make the
Required
required
commands.
procedures and required steps at the moment. So it will help a lot. We have gone through further studies that there are about 20%
Around 20%
accidents
of the accident because of this drowsiness incident.
because of this drowsiness. So it is a huge population that we are
Targeting.
targeting. So
Yeah.
that is all from our side. This is our project, accident prevention system. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
That's all.